Hello friends, today we will discuss one very important function which is used in SQL which is known as rank function. So guys, ranking data in SQL is very easy if you understand the rank function, and also if you work with SQL in any data analysis role, you have to rank data at least once. So this is a very important function that we should understand in very detail. And to understand its application or usage, you can think of like you want to rank monthly, yearly, or quarterly revenues or cost. Or you can also understand it from like you want to categorize or rank best selling products. You want to categorize the employees by salary, or you want to rank books by sales. So this is how SQL rank function becomes very essential to understand. So, rank function is an analytical function that assigns a rank to each row in a data set, and it is commonly used to identify the top performers, ranking, or grouping. And it is very useful for reports, leaderboards, and most importantly, data analysis. There are many types of rank functions, but rank, dense rank, and row number are major rank functions which are used in most of the data analysis part. And we will discuss only rank function in this particular video. For dense rank and row number, we will discuss in another video. However, there is a very small difference in all these three. For example, rank assigns a rank to each row with gaps in rank value, whereas dense rank assigns a rank without gaps. So all this will be more clearer to you when we discuss the example in SQL Management Studio. So let's start with the rank function. So rank function is one of the window function in SQL, and this looks at a part of data or all data and compute the result for this part. So when we say look at part of the data, so that means we are discussing about partition by, and we can also take the whole data instead of using any group or part. And this rank function specifically assigns a rank to each row based on a provided column. So if we want to categorize the data or rank the data, we need to provide a column on uh, which we are providing the rank. For example, you want to rank the students of a class. Then you need either marks or some column is required on which you can assign the rank to that particular row. Now, to understand this rank function, it's very essential or important to first understand the syntax, that how we write the syntax. Rank is included in the select statement with the following syntax. This is the syntax. Rank over, order by, and the name of the columns. And ASC or DESC, ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. So basically, this means that how we want to order by this column in ascending order or descending order. So, for example, when we want to categorize you want to provide the rank for example, one with the highest salary as first rank. That means we want highest salary first, and then data should have lower salary. That means we want data in the descending order. So we will use DESC in that scenario. So here I'm just taking one example, although we will discuss in exact query. But this is how we can write the query using rank function. For example, there are two columns in a table known as employee. One is employee ID and second column is salary. And we want to create an additional column which is having the salary rank. And of course, when we are ranking them, we will rank basis their salary. So this is how we can write the query. Rank, then this bracket, this is all part of syntax, over, then order by. So this all is part of syntax, and this is the column that we are providing. So this, if you correlate it with the syntax, this is the column on which we want to provide the rank. And as I mentioned you that here DESC or descending, this salary part will be in the descending order. Only then the employee with the highest salary will get first rank. And also, since this is a new column that will got created, we should name this, and this is the name that we are giving here, salary rank. And as usual, as per the syntax, we want to name the table from which we are taking this data. So employees is the name of the table. So this is the example. Now, how it handle ties? This is a very important part, and this is where the difference between rank function, dense rank, and row number comes. Although we will discuss those in detail in next videos, but that's the major difference between these rank functions or window functions. So this assigns the same rank but leaves a gap for the next rank. For example, assume there are three employees, and the first two employees are having a salary of rupees 10,000, and the third employee is having a salary of 9,000. Now, what rank function will do if we want to rank these three employees? It will give rank first rank to both first two employees who are having salary of 10,000. However, to the third employee who is having 9,000 salary, rank function will assign third rank to that particular employee. It will not assign second rank. So if you see, the first two employees are getting first rank, and that third employee is getting third rank. Now question comes, who is getting second rank? So this is where rank function skips that rank. Rank function is assigning third rank to that third employee. So we will discuss more about it in when we discuss about dense rank and row number. However, for now you should just understand this, that rank function leaves a gap for the next rank. Now we can also use partition by when we want to order, or we want to provide the rank for a particular grouping within a table. We will see this in more detail when we discuss that example in SQL Management Studio. However, this will be the syntax if we want to use the partition by, or if we want to provide the row rank over certain group or certain partition. Rank over order by, this is same, this is just additional part that will be getting added if you want to rank on the basis of certain group or partition. Partition by column. So this part we will discuss in detail in the SQL. So whenever we are using rank function, this order by part is very mandatory, and this is mandatory. However, partition by is not mandatory part. You can also use rank function without the use of partition by. However, order by is a mandatory part because you need to provide certain column on which you are providing the rank. So let's now come to the SQL Management Studio. So let's first create this table. I am first creating the table, and with this example you should also see how we create the table. So create table employees, then there are five columns: ID, first name, last name, level, year of experience. So if you see the column, you can easily understand that this is a list of some employees or developers in a company, and there are five columns which are providing these details, and we are interested to basically categorize the employees on the basis of their experience. Now if I execute this query, you can see command completed successfully. That means this particular table has been created. Now if I use this select star from employees, now if I execute this query, you can see all these five columns are coming, but no rows are there or no values are there because we have not yet inserted any value into this. So now let's insert the values into this table, and I have written this code here for your easy reference so that you can understand. So this is how we can insert the value into this table. Select insert into, this is the part of syntax. Now here we provide the name of the table, then we write all the name of the columns which are there in this table: ID, first name, last name, level, year, experience, and then we write values, and then we write all the values that we want to input into this particular table. So since This is integer. We are not providing any quote. However, for characters, we need to enclose the value into quotation marks. Now, if we execute this particular code, so the message is coming that 10 rows are affected. That means uh, values have been inserted into table. So if I execute this select star from employees now, you can see this is the output that I am getting, and there are 10 rows in this table: ID, first name, last name, level, year of experience. These are 5 columns. Now let's understand rank function using this. So let's understand that this table contains certain employees data. Say assume that these all are developers, and we are interested to categorize these developers on the basis of their experience. We want to rank them. So any person with the highest level of experience should be ranked first in terms of seniority. That means we have to use order by column and descending. So I will write the query. So we want ID, we want first name, we want last name, we want level, we want years, experience. So this is we have basically written all the columns that are there in this particular table. Now we want to introduce one additional column, which is rank. So this is the syntax that I am using now. Rank, then bracket, then over, then order by, then the column on which I want to rank these developers. So I want to rank these developers based on the years of experience. So I will write years, then experience, and then I will write DESC, because the employee with the highest level of experience should have first rank. That means I want to provide DESC here. Now from, and the name of table is employees. So this is my query, and if I execute this, there is some. So syntax is very essential to see when we are writing any query. So you can see this is the output that I am getting, and this is exactly as per the expectation. The employee with the highest years of experience is getting first rank. Then the years of experience 5 is getting second rank, and for fourth is it is getting second rank, third rank. Now one important part that we have discussed in our slides, that it skips the rank. So there are two employees with 4 years of work experience. Now both these are getting third rank, and the one employee who is having 3 years of experience is getting fifth rank, and fourth rank is being skipped. Rank function has not keep provided fourth rank to any employee. So this is the meaning of skipping of the rank. So rank function doesn't provide that rank to any employee, and it has skipped that rank. So similarly here, there are two employees who are having 3 years of experience. Both are getting 5 as the rank, and the one with employee with the 2 years of experience is getting 7 as a rank, and 6 rank is skipped. Similarly for this employee with the 1 year of experience. Now one thing that you should see here is that since it is an additional column or new column created, there is no column name for this column. So it is very important that we name this column as, we can for example say rank. So if we execute this, so this rank is introduced as a name of the column for this table. I hope this rank function is clear to you. Now we will discuss uh, partition by. So rank function is very useful when we want to rank the table on certain column. However, in certain scenarios, we might require to group the table into certain column and then rank that particular group or partition, and then again restart the first ranking when new group or new partition got created. So that will be more clear to you with the example itself. So let me copy this same query because most of the part will remain same. Now I am introducing partition by. Now you can see there are certain category of level: senior, mid level and junior. So I want to create a group, or I want to partition this table for on these levels. So I'm using partition by level, and the outcome will be very interesting to see. So here if you see, it has partitioned the data on this level. So if you see junior level, it has assigned ranks basis the year of experience for this group only. And when another group is starting, mid-level group is starting, it is restarting with the fresh rank or new rank. So the mid-level employee with 4 year of experience is getting first rank. And again, when this particular category or group is coming, senior level, it is restarting with the new rank or first rank. So this is how the partition by works, or the partition by creates a group for certain column, and it assigns a rank to these column only, and whenever when any new group will hit, it will assign a new rank. So I hope this partition by is clearer to you. In case you still need any guidance or want any clarity on these partition by or rank functions, you can ask in the comment section. Guys, I hope that these videos are helping you in some or the other way, and if you want to provide any feedback on these videos, feel free to do so. And also please share these videos with anyone who wants to learn SQL or revise the SQL. And I hope we will keep making new videos where with different concept, and also try to understand all those functions and examples of SQL. So we will meet guys in the next videos with some other rank functions and also some interesting problems in SQL. Thank you friends.